Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you upside down caramel apple cake. So let's get started. Firstly, we need to make a caramel sauce. So we need sugar, water, lemon juice, vanilla extract, salt, cream and butter. Add water and sugar in a pot. Once you add the sugar, mix them together. Now you can add your lemon juice, your salt and your vanilla extract. Added all the ingredients together. It will take around 6 to 7 minutes to start changing the color. When it starts changing the color, everything will happen so quickly from this point. So we are looking for a change to dark amber color. So when you see sweet slightly bitter smell, then you can add your cream. Turn off your heat and stir them gently. At this point you can add your butter. And that's it guys, you got smooth buttery homemade caramel. Let it cool down for at least for half an hour, and then you can use for your ice cream, for your any dessert you like to. This caramel sauce can be used for a couple of weeks, so you can use in a tight container to store them in a fridge. So main event guys, so now we're gonna do apple tart filling. So we need plain flour, sugar, baking powder, eggs, oil, milk, vanilla extract, caramel sauce. I'm using Granny Smith and Gala apple. So peel them and cut them. Add your cinnamon ground. Add your lemon juice and mix them well. Clean bowl. Add your plain flour, add your baking powder, add your sugar and cinnamon ground. Mix them well. Add your milk, oil, eggs, and you can add your vanilla extract and mix them well. Make sure you put pepper on your caramel tin. So first we need to put the caramel sauce on the bottom. Now you can layer your apple mix around the caramel. Once you are done with your apple filling, you can add your cake mix on the top of the apple. Now it's ready to go in preheated oven 180 degree for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, your cake should be ready. So give it a rest for at least 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes in resting, you can flip it back to your plate. Your cake is ready. Enjoy guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.